this is Harry J from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video to fix something. You see I have iPad mini 4 in front of me. This is golden version of iPad mini 4. Okay, if some moment if your iPad mini or iPad is stuck someplace, that means hang, or you have black screen, you can do a reset and fix that problem. It's very easy to fix that problem. Could be any version of iPad mini, iPad 3, 4, and normal iPad Air. You can try this method. Button could be differ one to another. For example, think this iPad mini is stuck or frozen. Could be black screen, you feel something but you can't see nothing. So in this case, what you have to do, your power button at the top, you see here this one, and you have home button. So hold the home button and power button together. Let's see. You see the screen become dark and it's starting to Apple logo. So the tablet is resetting and every problem you have may probably gonna fix. In this case, you're not gonna lose any data, any information, nothing at all. So it's very easy. Home button and the power button at the top. No volume rocker key, only these two buttons. So your tablet will start. Very simple and easy fix, nothing else. Let me show you one more time. Pretend this is dark screen and you can't see nothing. Hold home button and power button together. You see how it's coming back to life. Let's see what happened. Still have Apple logo. See the iPad mini is alive. So this is very easy fix, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.